Hey food lovers! Today I'm going to share with you the ultimate recipe for cheesy jacket potatoes with a twist chorizo and spring onions. Imagine biting into a crispy golden potato skin and savoring the melty cheese, spicy chorizo, and fresh spring onions. Yum, right? Let's dive in. So, here's a little backstory. Growing up, jacket potatoes were a staple in my house. My mom used to bake them to perfection, and I'd eagerly wait for that moment when they came out of the oven, steaming and ready to be devoured. But it wasn't until I visited Spain that I discovered the magic of chorizo. Combining these flavors was a culinary epiphany, and now, I can't wait to share it with you. First, let's talk ingredients. You'll need 4 large baking potatoes, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a pinch of sea salt, 100 grams of chorizo, finely chopped, 200 grams of cheddar cheese, grated, and a bunch of spring onions, finely sliced. Simple, right? Begin by preheating your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Scrub the potatoes clean, pat them dry, and prick them all over with a fork. Drizzle with olive oil and sprinkle with sea salt. Pop them on a baking tray and bake for about an hour, or until the skins are crispy and the insides are soft. While the potatoes are baking, let's prepare the filling. Heat a pan over medium heat and add the chopped chorizo. Cook until it's crispy and the oils have released. Trust me, your kitchen will smell amazing. Set it aside and resist the temptation to nibble. Once the potatoes are done, take them out of the oven and let them cool slightly. Carefully cut a cross on the top of each potato and gently squeeze the sides to open them up. Fluff the insides with a fork. This makes a nice little nest for your fillings. Now let's load them up. Start with a generous sprinkle of the grated cheddar cheese, followed by the crispy chorizo. Top it all off with a handful of fresh spring onions. Pop them back in the oven for about 5 minutes just to melt the cheese and blend those fabulous flavors together. And there you have it, the ultimate cheesy jacket potato with chorizo and spring onions. Perfect for a cozy night in, a family dinner, or even an impressive side dish. Trust me, once you try this, you'll never look at jacket potatoes the same way again. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more deliciousness, and let me know in the comments what your favorite jacket potato toppings are. See you next time, and happy cooking!